Hi, this is going to be a different kind of video. Fuck, I'm out of the fame. Hi, so this is going to be a different type of video for mobile repair. So year is 2018. I had this phone S9 Plus. I used it for 2 years in my college, and all my memories of college, all the photos, documents, and unfortunately, due to some stupidity, you can see the video here. I was trying to get a lake pond, taking a shot. There was a damage on the edge and water went in and it was totally corrupt. So the screen was gone. I tried to retrieve because it was locked, the screen was not working, so I was not able to retrieve my data. And I was looking for a screen because original screen come for 15k, and these phones are selling for the new one are selling for 24k. So it doesn't make sense giving 15k for a screen. So yes, I was looking for a replacement screen or a zombie screen from another phone, like the memory dead or the CPU dead phone. Fortunately, Diva Electronics from Delhi came to the rescue. They supply all type of. So they sent me this S9 Plus screen. Where it is? Okay, look at this packing. So these are all blank. One of these has a screen guard. Yeah, here it is. Here is a screen guard. Actually, this is my broken one. As you can see here, it's damaged. I have changed all the components we have to be extract from this phone to the new screen, which we have done successfully. There was some mishap, but we went through, and you can see.
Let's go.
Okay, so that's the new screen. First I started cleaning the new chassis because it's kind of a used screen. So there was some glue residue. After cleaning that, I started unscrewing the parts from my older phone. There were a ton of screws, and I also lost 2 of them while in the process of complete opening closing of the phone. And here's the complete circuit board exposed. That's the main. First, remove the battery because that's the main thing you remove while opening. So firstly, I removed all the camera, the iris sensor, which were from upside. Then loosen all the Lego style connectors on the motherboard, the main chip, and carefully removed it. And here it's out.
Okay, so the motherboard is the brain is out.
Then started removing the bottom part, which connects the audio jack, the charging cable, and the sound speaker. Before that, I cleaned a bit more with some isopropyl alcohol because there were some residues there. Then I started with the bottom part. It was a bit of tricky because there were the multiple circuit were connected with the ribbon cable, and they were hard soldered to each other. So it was kind of hard to remove them. Not kind of hard. It was very delicate, and I was doing it for first time, so I don't wanted to break anything. So I was being super careful. One by one, there were 2 antennas, the receiver antennas that I removed first, and carefully remove whole the circuit. There was solid glue within the connector for the audio jack and the charging cable, so it was a bit tricky to remove that. I have to use a bit of isopropyl alcohol also to remove that. But carefully I removed that and transferred it to the new phone. Cleaned a bit. Cleaned the charging port. Connected all the pins and the connection wires, and screwing it all to the chassis. Now comes the main board. There is a connector between the bottom half and the main chip. So we have to press it and connect to it. So before that, I cleaned the port for the front camera. There was glue residue, and carefully aligned it. But still, some glue residue was remaining, so I have to like reopen the phone afterwards again to clean it back. Here is I removed the chip back because there was some glue residue in the hole of the camera. After that, I skipped a bit, and here is like I was trying to expose some of the charging coils, which will look cool after the transparent back. Now start with the back panel. So the back panel is kind of a lamination thing, the black lamination over the glass, and I put some isopropyl alcohol, loosened the glue, and it was coming out a whole piece. Peeling it off, but that was a mistake. I peeled it off like a single chunk, which was really a bad idea. Because there is a hole for the camera setup, which is kind of delicate part, and it slipped off mine. I don't know what I was thinking, but I was trying to peel it completely in one piece, and there was tension building in the glass as being a hole in the center, and the joint being very thin, and the top it just cracked.
Fuck. Broke the glass.
So yes, that's what happened. We broke the back glass of our S9 Plus. Where it is? Here it is. And today is like sixth day from the day we broke the glass. Here it is. I have like glued it, and this is the broken glass. I was using it with the back cover on, and here is our zombie style mobile phone from back. So we are planning to do the transparent glass thing. So on the same day at night, I ordered some parts for S9 Plus, basically the back. So I've ordered from Max B. So on the fifth day we received. So I thought we are changing the back. Why not buy a new battery? So I will get a good battery life. So it's a new battery for S9 Plus. And here is the back glass. There is some good news for me, you can say, because we were cute. Like I was troubled about how to paste this back glass because it doesn't have adhesive. So the new one does have adhesive. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut out, put a precise cut from the glue part and remove the black part from inside, and we're gonna keep the glue part and we're gonna paste it back. And let's do it today.
I'm gonna do it too. This part.
I started cutting out the layout for the gasket type adhesive tape on the glass, but soon I realized that I just cut a layout. We can just remove the adhesive. It was not that tightly attached to the glass. So after trying for a bit, I removed the adhesive and just put it on a plastic so it doesn't catch any dust. So I carefully removed it and put it on a plastic bag, and then it was like open road for me. I just put some isopropyl alcohol to loosen up the glue and started from the delicate part. So I was starting from the center towards out, learning from the last mistake. I was doing it bit by bit, not pulling it off as a complete chunk because it was putting stress on the glass. I was putting in removing it in chunks, small chunks, and frequently putting isopropyl alcohol on that, and it was out. It came perfectly, and there was no hassle removing it. You can hear the relief, how much relief I got removing that last bit, and it looked wonderful. Yeah. Be there in time. So today is the next day of. I faced a problem which I not thought earlier. हमने like I have removed the adhesive from the glass. Glass एकदम चमकीला transparent हो चुका है. Yeah, we have to place this one on the back, but I don't have the glue to paste it. ये glass था. अरे भाई निकल जा. जो ये glass है मेरे का, we have to paste it on this glass over here. But उसके लिए glue लगेगा and we don't have a glue and I can't wait to order the glue and paste it myself. So we're gonna need some help and we are going to IMT. They fix all sort of mobile. They are like relative of my friend. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's go. And it's done. Yeah, it's mobile. ये थोड़ा वाइट दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, ये बिकॉज दैट्स द एडहेसिव वही यूज़ किया है. ये ग्लास भी पेस्ट कर दिया है एंड बैटरी चेंज है. सो दैट्स हाउ इट लुक्स एंड फोकस ऑन द फोन मेट. या सो वी हैव डन. द फोन इज वर्किंग. अब बस इसको बैक कवर लूँगा एक एंड लैमिनेशन चढ़ा दूँगा इसको एक बैक कवर. सो इफ इट फॉल्स इट विल नॉट ब्रेक इनटू पीसेस एंड बस हो गया है. S9 Plus is ready to be used. And okay, so question arises, why I have wasted so much money on a phone this old, repairing it. And so मैंने वेस्ट क्यों किया पैसे, थोड़ा विस्तार में बताते. चलिए. Okay, so mainly I did this for two reasons. S9 Plus is my first phone, like my personal phone I bought for myself, and I used this for 2 years in my engineering college, and I had lots of data in it. Mainly all the photos of first year and second, all the memories you can say of my first second year. So I wanted like that to be extracted, which I would have got it without replacing the glass. But secondly, I don't like keeping a good phone. Like it's kind of a good phone, like you can still use this phone. So I don't wanted it sitting in my shelf collecting dust. So thought of repairing it and giving it to my sister. She will use this from now. I got my data all backed up and I'm gonna format it. It's a 64 GB, pretty small storage, but it was enough at that point, at that time. And that's the phone which look. I thought of like repair कर ही रहे तो क्यों ना थोड़ा अलग करते हैं. So I just did this transparent back thing, which I saw a long back ago when I bought this phone of jerry rig everything. So it's not waterproof from now. Water can seep inside, and this is not a shatterproof, like it's not as strong as it original one. So ये कभी भी टूट सकता है. So we'll have a lamination and a good transparent cover. So जो look तो आएगा, but it will be kind of a bit durable, and you can still battery भी आप replace हो गए, so battery backup is good. And yeah, that's it. This was another weird type of video I made. I wanted to get comfortable talking to myself, and थोड़े से ये से काम तो करता हूँ मैं, not technically, बोलने के लिए well, but I run a company called CrossFit Media. We do social media marketing and all that stuff. We have like 5 to 6 clients in Nanded. If you want your brand to be creator, you can contact us. Saying that, let's wrap up this video and thank you for watching till this point. If you're watching this, bhai, tu to mera dost hoga. If you're watching this point and those who are supporting me, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot, guys. And yeah, दो शब्द उनके लिए ये प्यारे भरे कि thank you. And saying that, we will be posting more, try to post more such videos. अब मैं बोर कर रहा हूँ, but I know if you are like, you can skip it. Saying that, see you, bye bye. Have a great day and do what you are doing. Bye bye.